Here's how you can see Snapchat stories without them knowing. So the first thing you need to do is to open up your Snapchat, and once you are in, you just have to tap on stories on the bottom right corner, and here as you can see there is a story on the top left. So before opening that particular story, you just have to scroll down from the top and turn on the airplane mode and make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned off. After that, you can now view their story, and then you can take screenshot or also you can record their story. So once you are done, at the end you have to make sure to delete the Snapchat application if you are on iPhone. Otherwise, you can clear the data of the Snapchat and reinstall it and log in back to your account again. And once you are done, you just have to turn off the airplane mode and turn back your Wi-Fi. So hope this helped. This is how you can see Snapchat stories without them knowing.